How to defend against spam on Viber. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can defend against spam on Viber. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you're receiving spam on your Viber, spam messages on your Viber, these are the methods you can apply up. First thing is, when you receive a spam message from an unknown number, you can immediately block the user. So you can head over to that user, and once you head over, you can go to their name and you can look for this option called block this contact. You can just go ahead and tap on it and block it and block their contact. That is one of the methods. After blocking, you can use the report spam option within Viber to alert the platform about the spammer. After that, you can head over to the More tab in the bottom and go to the settings. Once you are under your settings, you can adjust the privacy settings and turn off your last seen status, which can limit the ability of spammers to target you. Apart from that, avoid sharing your phone number on public platforms or with people that you don't know, and never reply to spam messages as well, as that can signal to spammers that your number is active and could lead to more spam. So that is how you defend against spam on Viber, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.